tell y'all. Oh, they might got me something to drink right here. Ooh, I think, yeah, they got Dr. Pepper, y'all. I want no soda. Soda ain't good for you. I ain't gonna get no soda. I'm finna go on over here, go get me a pineapple. Hey, yeah, did y'all subscribe today? This is my YouTube channel. Oh, okay, you got one. Okay. Hold up, I might get these. Let me see. Hey, look out. Hey, that's my YouTube channel, man. That way we can catch a cone. I hear your little cam cackling in there. Yeah. Yeah, you need to come over here. Don't be watching me, man. I'll get you distracted. I'm a distraction. Oh, yeah, I gotta find Ginger too, man. Damn. I need to get away from right here. Oh yeah. I forgot, Jen.
Hey, we can do some podcasts this weekend.
Oh yeah.
I think
figure that out.
Videos too. I like the voiceovers. We need to play around with them.
Yeah.
I like the idea of like breaking down some hilarious shit.
I'm down with this.
It could be good races too. Just call it like.
Okay. I'm finna go and go get these tacos. I mean, yeah. Let me find old Ginger. Let me find Ginger. I hope Ginger's still here. I hope Ginger's still here, y'all. Hey, suscríbete. Dale me gusta. Dale me gusta, suscríbete a dragracing. Dale me gusta and suscríbete.
Is it Dilla today or what?
Oh, I'm thinking about it. I gotta go get Ginger some. Mike G, appreciate the $4.99. Boy, Mike G done got his income tax, y'all. I sure appreciate you sharing a little bit of it with me, man. Mike G been friendly with his, man. What time they close now? About 2 in the morning. I done caught all the real action though. He done ate tacos and left. Let me see. Oh, okay. Look out, Mike G. I really just want me a lemonade mixed with some mango and some piña, some pineapple. Dame tu piña. Dame tu piña.
The black Monte Carlo gonna race the red truck.
Right now?
$1,000.
Okay. Black Monte Carlo versus the red truck. Rafa been waiting to put that 500 shot on somebody. He probably finna turn that other 500 on now, y'all. Dale me gusta, suscríbete, wey. Suscríbete, wey. Dale me gusta, dale. y cuela, quesu. Dame, dame. Tienes dinero aquí, aquí, aquí. Suscríbete, suscríbete, and dale me gusta. I used to dale me gusta, but now I'm a... Okay. Okay, there go. I got a beat now. Hey. Yeah. Dale, dale, dale. Dale, me gusta. I am used to getting these tacos. I might abuse her. Get chorizo. Norito. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Make sure you dale me gusta. I am not used to pulling these. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Get to these tacos, you know I am hungry. If you don't leave me, you know I am lonely. I want that pork, and I want some beef. Pulling and racing, I'm outside the streets. I'm at the track, might better stay. Eating these tacos and corn, that's a fact. I'm on tip jaw, going real far. Look at the racing, it's all on the car. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, yeah. Small block or big block, which one do you got? I'm trying to see, cause I think a lot. Hey, small block or big block? Okay. Hey, small block or big block? Yeah, which one you got? The cubic inches. Them cubic inches is looking a lot. Hey, let me get I need a drink. I'm thirsty. Yeah, I'm thirsty. Bitch. Okay. Uno. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Dale me gusta. Ooh, wait, where my money at, y'all? Okay. Oh, snap, it's in my pocket. It's in my pocket, you be.